Welcome to Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. We are looking into data structures and algorithms. In that, today's topic will be counting nodes, sum of all elements, and max value in the singly linked list. Okay, so let's look into the code. So let's begin the code tracing now. So first we initialize the stdi.h, then stdlib.h, which has the malloc function which allocates memory in the heap. So that's the reason we include that. Then we have a linked list features.h, which was previously created. In that we have the structure which is node, which has data and next node address. And then we have a create function which creates the linked list and returns the first node of that linked list. So it has a for loop which adds all the contents to the linked list. We have seen that in the previous code. Then we create a first pointer which is assigned null. We go to the int main. Then we have a data array with the value 10, 12, 23 and 44. Then we call the create function which send the data array and the total number of nodes, that is 4, and we send the first pointer. So that gets the first pointer is assigned, is pointing to the first node, and then it is returned. So it's not a like the API has requires the first pointer, or else it would have written the first pointer and it would have been assigned. So there was no necessity for that, but we had created such a API, so that's the reason we are sending it. So now we are calling the count. So yeah, before going there, we see that we have a singly linked list with the data 10, 12, 23 and 44. So the first node 10, data value is 10. We can see here. Please follow the following convention. You have data value here, we have next node address and then node address. So data value 10 is the first node. The next node address is hash 300. This is the hash 300, the second node address. Then the node address of the first node is hash 200. The node address of the next node is hash 300, which is assigned here. 12 is the data value of the second node. Hash 400 is the next node address, that is third node address. 23 is the data value of the third node. Hash 500 is the fourth node address, and the last node, fourth node, has a data value 4 and it is pointing to null. So there is no other further nodes. So we have a singly linked list created. Now let's look into how we can iterate through this and find the count, max value and sum. So initially we are using a first underscore PTR pointer pointing to the first node. Then we have a node iterator pointer created. We have node count equal to 0, max value equal to 0, sum equal to 0 and temp value equal to 0. Then node iterator is equal to first pointer. So node iterator pointer is pointing to the first PTR here, you can see. Then node iterator not equal to null, true. Then node count is incremented to 1. Temp value is now equal to node iterator data, that is 10. Temp value greater than max value. Max value is 0 right now. So 10 greater than 0 is true. Max value is equal to temp value. So max value is equal to 10. Then we have sum is equal to 0 plus 10 equal to 10. So sum is equal to 10. Now node iterator moves to the next node. So it moves to the second node now. Node iterator is equal to node iterator next. And in the while it checks whether node iterator is not equal to null, and it is true. Then node count is incremented to 2. Then temp value is equal to node iterator data. So now new temp value is 12. So 10 has been replaced by 12. 12 is greater than max value 10. That's true. 12 is greater. So max value is replaced by new value, that is 12. 10 has been replaced with 12. Then it comes out the if condition. Sum is equal to 10 plus 12 equal to 22. So new sum is 22. So 10 and 12 have been added now. Now node iterator will move to the next node. So node iterator next. Node iterator not equal to null, true. Node count has incremented to 3. Temp value now is 23. So node iterator data is 23, right? So it is assigned with 23. Now temp value 23 greater than 12. That's true. So greater than 12, because right now the max value is 12, right? So that's why 23 greater than 12, true. So max value is replaced with 23. Now sum is equal to sum 22 plus new data 23 equal to 45. The new sum value will be 45. And node iterator has moved to the last node. So now it's pointing to the data 44. So node iterator not equal to null, true. Node count has been incremented to 4. Now temp value is equal to node iterator data 44, that is true. 44 greater than 23, because max value right now is 23, right? So 44 greater than 23, it's true. So max value equal to 44 now. Okay, so it has been assigned. Then you can see the replacement has happened. Then we have sum is equal to sum plus temp value. Now it is 45 plus 44, which is equal to 89, and node iterator moves to next. Node iterator next, that is null. So node iterator has become null. So you can see node iterator not equal to null has turned false, because right now it is equal to null. Comes out of the while loop, and you can see it's printing node count 4, max value 44. Sum of all the nodes in the singly linked list is 89, and it comes out of this function count nodes. So then it returns from the main function. So the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n, as it is iterating through each node. So that is why it is order of n. So if you would like to use this AI interview preparation app and want to check how each node and how each iteration happens by clicking back and next, so then you can please visit the website. You can visit the website robominions.in, click on download latest version v1.0 here, and click on, if you have a Windows laptop, click on Windows OS, and then click on download anyway. Signing up, Dhananjai Sharma,
founder of Robominions.in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. Visit Robominions.in website, crack your toughest coding questions and tech interviews by downloading latest version of the app, and make your coding easy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.